Ooh. Ooh. I make myself sick. Guess who's back? Chefe. Chefe's back. Welcome to Chefe's kitchen. Today, what we're gonna cook today? We are gonna be making salmon, like a salmon sauce, a tomatoey salmon sauce. This chair is sliding from right underneath me. Damn. Like a salmon sauce with like tomatoes, peppers and all that stuff with rice. I initially saw this recipe on Cosmeholics Anonymous. Bo and her mum made it maybe 2 years ago. And I like banged it out every day for about 2 years. But I haven't made it in a very, like maybe a year plus or maybe a year plus. So you know what we always do in Chefe's kitchen. We finna wing it. Yeah, we're gonna wing it. You know the usual. I will link down below her video. We can actually see like how she makes it with her mum and all the stuff that she uses, and probably the correct thing to do because I haven't watched it in a while and I don't really know the proper ingredients. That's it. Let's get into the video. Here are our ingredients. A cup of rice. This is long grain. Some peppers. I might use a bit of all of it just for colour, but really and truly I don't need this much. 3 onions. 3 garlic. 2 garlic. I don't know what. Okay, I've got this. I don't know what this is. Usually I would use a Scotch bonnet. I don't know if this is even hot. I don't actually know what this is. I just saw it in my freezer. Canned salmon, salt, and tomatoes, crushed chilies, 2 Maggi cubes, and some thyme. Whenever I start recording, the vegetables just want to disrespect me. You just want to put, I'm going to put all the ingredients into this bowl. Done. Now we're going to do the peppers. Fun fact, I don't actually like peppers. I'm going to probably just use half of each. Do I take this out first? Oh man. Wow, this was shambolic, man. Why do people take the seeds out of these? I don't understand. I never understood it. What is wrong with pepper seeds? Why can't we eat them? Honestly, this one was so easy and so simple. Like, uni girls, this is what you can make for your mans on a day in. Yeah? Green, red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. Look how pretty that looks. Oh. Next we got tomatoes. Another fun fact, I don't actually like tomatoes. Why am I making this? You just want to cut them into whatever shape you like. Hexagons, pentagons, octagons, any shape really. I'm going to go with octagons right now, but you are welcome to whatever floats your goat. Your goat? Alright, so that's that. All the vegetables cut and ready to go. RFA. I just use dry thyme. Just a twinkle a bit. Just a twinkle. What now? Oh, garlic. Do I want garlic? Yeah, garlic. I love it what the chefs do when they like squeeze the garlic and then they just like put salt on the board and then they grate. I'm gonna try it. Go like this. And then they just, I feel like they used the big knife, not this, oh look, I didn't even get all the skin off. Not this makeshift chef knife. Like, what knife is this? I think this is, oh, this is a chef's knife. Oh my god. Chefe who? Chefe me. I don't know if this will be hot, so I don't know if I should use the whole thing or not. I think I'll use half. But yeah, that's this. The bowl is done. Now we're gonna go over to the stove. Oh, it's not even in focus. Bloody hell. We're gonna start frying up and saute. Is it saute? Is it? I think it's called sauteing. You know when you put all the stuff in there and then you close the lid and then you let it cook for a bit. That's what we're gonna do. That on the flame. I've turned on the fire and I'm gonna throw everything in there, really and truly. All right. So oil has been heating up for a hot minute. I'm gonna add the everything now. Is this a stock cube? Because in my African household, we don't really have these things. I believe this is a stock. Is my hand dry? So I'm going to add one of these and I'm going to add a Maggi cube. We usually just make stock, like cook chicken, but I'm not going to do that today. Because this is a pescatarian meal. Yeah. Is this what it's meant to look like? Anyway, I don't know. I'm gonna add some crushed chilies now and some dried pepper from the Nigeria. And this is sort of saying the Nigeria, from Nigeria. I don't have any Scotch bonnets and that wheat thing that I use ain't gonna pepper anybody. Let me add some dried chili. I can't speak today in case you have noticed. Right, pop a lid on this. And let it simmer for a while so everything can soften up a bit. And while that does that, I'm going to open up the salmon. Right, this has been sitting for a little bit. Yeah, everything's softening up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the salmon. Remember my top tip from the last video? Guys, this needs some salt. What the hell? Don't forget your salt, kids. So if you are vegan, you know, none of the meat stuff, you just leave it right here. This is your meal. It's like a fajita, but without the fajita, it's just tart. You probably wouldn't want to add a beef oxo cube though, or a Maggi cube. So I don't know what you would use to season it. You could just saute your vegetables like so. Yeah, that salt really helped that. Ooh, now I'm gonna add the salmon. I'm not taking any of the juice out. I'm literally just gonna add it all like this. Do you think I should add two? Yeah, that looks sad. Okay, turns out I just have the one red salmon, so I'm gonna add a pink salmon as well. I don't know if they'll taste or look any different, so we'll find out together. Don't break it up too much, otherwise it'll just be salmon mush. Just enough. Okay, and we're gonna cover that back up, and you cook it on a high heat. All right, so now we can hear the angry monster in my kitchen, which is the rice cooker. It's really going ham. After the last episodes, plating crisis, and every other episode prior to that plating crisis, I decided to elicit the help of some of YouTube's finest. Okay. So I watched a lot of plating videos. Oh god, you know how I feel about holding the camera. I watched a lot of plating videos and they said that the best thing to do is to draw out what you want it to look like before you plate it. The rice literally just popped. The salmon thing, I just turned the heat right down. Basically it's off. And we're gonna draw out this plating and then we're gonna try and plate it. I have all the tools to plate it, I'm just not very good at plating, so let's go. I think I'm gonna do 2 sketches and I'm gonna try and plate them both. I'm gonna clip my hair back because this is getting serious. All right, I'm gonna use a square plate. That's the rice. I think I want like the salmon just around it, like here. Full moon, half moon, total to the clips. Oh, I'm so funny. Salmon. Oh, salmon. Salmoda. That's what I made. I'm an English student. I'm actually a uni graduate. Salmon. Good job, Efe. Look, I'm just a mess right now, aren't I? Back to the drawing. This is my plate. That's one plate. Plate one. I think I'm gonna use a round plate for plate two. And I want it to look more like an arch. I want the salmon to just be drizzled so delicately by the wings of 1,000 fairies. I want the juice to be around it like a fort. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. All right, so the food's done now. I've done my drawings. Let's get plating. I have a good feeling. I feel like this is gonna be the one. Right, so we're gonna be plating this one first. I'm gonna do the rice on here first before I transfer it to there. Right, I think that's about it. The only thing is that this is metal, so it gets really hot really quickly. I let the rice be a little bit sticky so that it can squash right. This is where I want the rice. I'm gonna take, it's hot. Oh, it's hot, I don't like it. Take the ring off. Come on. Come on, don't embarrass me, man, please. Okay. Wow, I deserve a round of applause. Quality, quality, quality. I'm gonna put the salmon here in like a moon shape. You know what would be cute if I had a little something here, like a little, you know, like a little leaf. Like I just want a little leaf right here, and I feel like that's it. That will be it. That will be the best plated meal you've ever seen in your entire life. Okay, so I couldn't find any cute little leaves, so I'm gonna use oregano. Oh my gosh, the tomatoes. They have the little tomato stems on them. I took a little tomato stem. I feel like that's so cute. Okay, that's not edible, so I'm gonna remove it. It looks like a little spider. Let me take it off. Right, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some oregano on top right here. Maybe some black pepper as well. Oh, that's cute. And then I'll put my little tomato leaf on it. Guys, I think I did it. I think I did it. All right, let's try and do number two. When I really pack that in tight, the rice is really overdone. Like I added too much water. I wanted it to be sticky, but this might as well be pudding at this point in time. So, turn my plate over and then turn it over like this. I think I need to pat the top. I didn't feel it drop. Let's see. Let's hope and pray. Everyone cross your fingers. Alright, now this is the salmon. I want the salmon on top and then I want the sauce around the side. Alright, so now we have number two. Okay guys, so that has been Chefe's kitchen. I don't know what to name this, so I'm just gonna say salmon, peppers, salmon, sauteed salmon? Okay, that's it, sauteed salmon. I made sauteed salmon, I just named it copyright, with rice, and I tried to plate it really nicely. So you lot tell me which one you think won. Was it plate one? Or was it plate two? I'm gonna put it here. You don't tell me which one you think won. I think personally it was plate one, because plate two was a bit plate one I feel like it won with my little tomato vine. Oh, that fantastic. That's what we like. So you guys can let me know which one you think won down in the comment section down below. Also let me know what you want me to make. A lot of people have said I should make my lasagna. You know, that one is top secret. Plankton, can't get it X'd. So I don't know if I make the lasagna for you. Or the mac and cheese. Mac and cheese I don't mind making. So let me know what you want me to make next. I'm gonna try one of those coloured videos probably in the next 2 next one or the next 2 videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support so far. I could actually cry. You guys are great, and I just didn't expect it, and I just honestly, I don't know. Look how I'm beaming right now, because you guys make my day, my week, my month, my year, my life. So thank you, seriously, thank you so much for the support so far. Don't forget, eat well, eat healthy, eat right, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.